Hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. Just going to do a quick little mail call. We've got a little envelope from Armando from the vault. So we are going to see what Armando sent. And my friend, you did not have to send me anything. I do appreciate it though. Surprises are nice. So let's see what Armando sent us. I love it. Oh, I love this. That is awesome. Dino, this is a handmade card with Mortimer's likeness. Thanks for the hand-poured M16. Armando from the vault. Mortimer says hi. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Do you guys see that? So cool. That's gonna go right up here next to Mortimer's girlfriend. I'll have to take the camera off the stand here and I'll have to show you Scully, Mortimer's girlfriend. So hang on just a sec. Let me put this down and I'll show you little Miss Scully. Okay guys, there is Scully. That is my little clock that sits in front of my desk that Cheryl got me for my birthday, and now she will be accompanied by Mortimer. I thought she had a crush on Mortimer, so I had been telling Armando that, and so now they will be side by side. Or maybe we'll put him up here or here, but we're going to keep them two together. Armando, that is really, really, really cool. I really like that. Thank you, my friend. I'm going to let you go, guys. Y'all have a good one. And Armando, myself, Mortimer, and Scully, we'll see you all in the next video.